Genty. Oh yeah.
Kish from the beats.
Nina dem, Nina pen, pain. God, do not dance, do not blend in. Niaje babe, si leo kuje home. Rada safi, my home is your home. Siku mingi unasema unakam na ukam, but leo kuja home. Hakuna excuse leo, hakuna pressure. Kama nikupe kitu moja huku mi utresha. Na kauna ni feel na kugarantii pleasure. So unajua vile mi uwezesha. Netflix and chill ni shughuli ya hao. Unapenda kula tupike tu kwa hao. Alafu sichelewe juu ya makarao. Watakutembeza hadi uwapatie za kwa upepo. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi pepe. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi pepe. Umefika, ushatoka, sawa. Umedunga, pulova, sawa. Confirmation nishatuma pin. Sasa boy child food nijipin. Nipige shower, nimeze dawa, nipate power. Nyumba mbio mbio, vyombo na ushambio mbio. Msupa ndio huyo, nafanya vitu pio pio. Ni mapenzi, nukilizwa ndio hiyo. I'm crazy, in love, si ndio. Knock knock, msupa shamok. Na si joke, kwanza nguo amerock. Amedrip, amefanya na trip. Na si wa street, kana deserve a treat. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi pepe. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi pepe. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi pepe. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Nitembele, nitembele, nitembele ndo mapenzi pepe.
Shit, it's another one. Mana plenty, Genty, a Kish from. You know how we do.
Oh, Kish.
Hilarious, baby. I love to Aquabana. I love
Kamano nyakoro mgajwang wadonje chenro mano marange jothumbe wawinjo kanyo itoni nitembele ndo mapenzi
Nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee.
Monto nwachne genre mane.
That I can say is just gengeton. Just gengeton, but at least something clean.
Something
sure.
clean.
Yeah.
I can which ma clean goto mage. Koko mano machiegni. Genty Plenty. Genty Plenty nga.
Genty Plenty ni msanii, Genty Plenty ni video director, Genty Plenty is a photographer. Yeah. So in short, that's who Genty Plenty is.
It's only all under one roof.
Yeah, all under one person.
Nichako wer karamna karango ingeni chenro mar nge jothumbe wange thumbe mabendi wero to bende wangi kaka ini wuon kaka jathum e pacho ka dwach ni Genty Plenty nga.
Genty Plenty en msanii nachako wer chon kantiere high school but sasa professionally nachako after campus unaona. Sasa after campus ndo nimefanya mangoma kadhaa, at least ngoma kama 4 sisi tumetoka kampong but professionally sasa niko kwa muziki full time as Mana Plenty Mr. Genty.
Tena naona de kaka rawera nikichipata neno ka inra wera ina naona de pauthum chudo so
pauthum chudo if you're consistent and if you're really into the music business ka ingeo gima edwaro in that business at the end of the day ukijua kitu nadai you'll always get the profit.
In gi manager nikichano ka top jothumbe jabedo gi managers mabendo sibedo katayoge.
Not really. Sani antiere solo artist and I push, but I have friends, I have producers with me, so I'm just pushing as a solo guy.
Ito ni album adi, videos adi kama?
I have a lot of videos, but currently I don't have an album, but I have an EP. Yeah.
Ibro bedo kingiso mathoth kotenre kod mano nyakoro mga jwang jathum mabende wantiere godo en mana ni nyingi no chal mana tongue twister to ni Genty Plenty en mana ni nyingi hiye marupande lakini dungi na
Genty Plenty ni rhyme scheme tu Genty Plenty.
Yeah,
kitika hiyo.
To koro nyingi marupande.
Nyar marupande en Joseph Otieno Ochieng.
So Genty Plenty ni no wuok kali Joseph.
Genty Plenty, the fact that when I was in school, my mode like wanaitwa Jopuonje. Jopuonje na actually this guy is a gentleman, unaona? Gentleman enough. Sasa hiyo gentleman mimi sisi kwa nasema sana negi wacho sana. Haya, hiyo gentleman enough nikakeka kwa Genty alafu enough si kwa Plenty. At least the rhyme iko musical. Genty Plenty na.
Ito ni Genty Plenty. Mapodi mana gentleman.
Yeah, ndio.
Kaka wanya koronga jang chenro kama yida chiel ka chiel. Kopogre gi wang jui mari inyalo do achiel ka chiel ko kalembu imagwa. La imagwa mago tima chok nyalo ronwa ote. Ang'o midwaro ng'eyo matuta hinya kaluore kod jathuma mabende wantiere godo kinyi makawuone nyinga iyudo kanya nyinge Genty Plenty dani mandala cha benda geno mara ni yudo nyingno eyo makare orgi haneno kwantiere achiel ka chiel abro bedo ka penjo Genty Plenty nikech chenro en mar ng'eyo thumbewa dong wawinje thumbi mar ariyo donge
wenyalo winjo thumba mar ariyo
diher mar mondo mi wawer thumane kata mna wago thumane
sani wanyalo go Nyakisumo
itone kiko Kiswahili dholuo bende ntiere ye kanyo
exactly an jaom
turu be pok inyisa ibu ng'iso ko wan maduogo mana ka Rosie ng'eni DJ mar odiochieng' makawuono yudwa nwa Nyakisumo ntiere wer moro wa ibro bedo kinyiso ni Nyakisumo no to ng'a bende kaka mano oketnwa giwacho ni gintiere gi kangaru Nyakisumo ni bogo bang'e
it's okay
ketno uru kangaru mar mondo mi omiel kosen mar kangaru
kangaru na dance well about vibes
Mana Plant, Mr. Gent. Oh yeah. Intima. Nina bima na beba toto zuri design ya Sarafina. Toto chupa na bendange fitina na pia akiwashwa kwange kukuna. Kani ndizi anatafuna na pia nikinuna na jonga pa kuchuna. Kuna rizo mingi muku itabe. Kila kitu ukidai nitakupe. Basi dance kangaroo, oya tunde kangaroo, 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 ruka niko fresh, kangaroo, ruka na mresh, big flash, chafua bash, rusha cash, ndo upendwe na waresh, ito inanuka manzeras na kusikia, dance imeshika jona demo busia, pia nia ni kumkatia, I guess kuna ladha na feel anasikia, shika mado, shika mandai, shika makeke, live the place, me the case, nipe ni keke, kuna rizo mingi muku itabe, kila kitu ukidai nitakupe, basi dance kangaroo, oya tunde kangaroo, 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 kangaroo. Dance kangaroo, oya tunde kangaroo, basi dance kangaroo, oya tunde kangaroo, basi dance kangaroo, kula ndizi. Kuna rizo mingi muku itabe, kila kitu ukidai nitakupe. Kangaroo nitembele ndo mapenzi iendelee. Mana plant Mr. Genty. Oh yeah.
Nyakisumo mora jaber nyiri yengri nyathinya mama. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine madwari nyathinya mama. Nyakisumo mora ga. Nyakisumo mora ga. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine madwari nyathinya mama. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine maheri nyathinya mama.
Nyatima yo, mtoto sop. Twende slow, si twende mosmos. Of course, nyakisumo.com. Mtoto ajakom, nionje shata za home. Aha, iyo koloni ko fine. Sweet baby, can I call you mine? Aha, iyo figa walai. Sweet baby, can we go for a ride? Yamoloko, kawonan matoko. Msupu nasema, ya watoti nyajomoko. Ndisore, mali safi ni msipare utingore. Roho safi ndamarire. Nyambe keldo, nyambe nikubuk. Nyambe lord, nyambe sombuk. Nyambe unaifil mpaka kisigino. Nyakisumo bye ni vile kotu biro.
Nyakisumo mora jaber nyiri yengri nyathinya mama. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine madwari nyathinya mama. Nyakisumo mora ga. Nyakisumo mora ga. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine madwari nyathinya mama. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine maheri nyathinya mama.
Big machine, nyakisumo gari kubwa. Smile kwa face, mina pendo livo umbwa. Nyathini mbafna, shida zako watchna. Let's catch a vibe, usilie mano rachna. Ya mama Rickney, nena kako kithni. Kasi nyakisumo na mwitanga baby Whitney. Tinto letter, tinto back, I'll be there. Deal is late. O makuwia, abebo makuwia. Oketo pacha, abebo keto pacha. Adi, nawaza ndoa, nawaza kukuoa, nawaza kukuweka. Hope utanikomoa. Unataka, you want to bam bam. Unasema, ati twende London. Nyakisumo haha, nyakisumo he. Show me what you got, cause I heavy nyakisumo.
Nyakisumo mora jaber nyiri yengri nyathinya mama. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine madwari nyathinya mama. Nyakisumo mora ga.
Aha, baby girl.
Nyakisumo mora ga. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine madwari nyathinya mama. Na ukichoka kaa chini tisha daska. Dodongine maheri nyathinya mama. Jabero rito dende, donge moro chunya. Herani bendo pogore, jaber nyakisumo. Jabero rito dende, donge moro chunya.
Mana plenty. Bigolo woda kumu. Bigolo.
Ani gima winjo ni Nyakisumo he Nyakisumo ha.
Show me what you got.
Because I hear Nyakisumo. Iwuok e studio.
Iwuok e studio.
Nyakisumo ni nacho nien nga.
Nyakisumo ni tudem wa Kisumu. Na nyako from Kisumu.
Ito ni wera ne mana Nyakisumo. Koro nyako mora mowuok Kisumu ma e thumbe.
Yes. Nyako no mora.
Okay, kara mne penjo moro kata na kapok achako ng'io penjo mabende joneno magwa kelo. Kinde mabende compose.
Yeah.
Songs kata mna thumbe mabende iwero. What comes to your mind? How do you compose them?
Unaona music wiro ka naturally like unaona kama Nyakisumo ngoma tu ilikuja kama niko kwa mat.
Chale juogi.
Najuogi like kaka nantie mat. Awinja vibe ta record gesimu then later in the night mostly andiko ngoma gagotieno. Later in the night awinja gik mana record during the day na then I write the music.
Makoro songs gigin mana good vibes.
Good vibes na juogi kiwinjo ka
kiwinjo ka yili kata mne studio ka kineno kata mna gimoro to koro dhima na wer.
Omera ikwanye.
Aya wana mafans gini chire ka mudhuro parno wanchira chel ka chel bini nyakoro mgajong kokalo hembui magwa duto YouTube Citizen Digital kanyakla code Facebook gi Twitter kata mna X kaka tinde oloke anoka mbui achagi mano mar Facebook penyo nchire ka anoka kajaki nyarmudi wacho ni okwongo monde Genty Plenty, what a name. Kasa toni Generation Z will show us which. Wacho ni mana gipenjo ni kawuono en gipenja chiel for 1000 followers kata mna magi kata mna mnen chendro oler negi how YouTube benefit them. Okwongo monde kini intere mbui mage.
Yeah. YouTube really benefits, but you have to reach a certain level, like music wise. Ndio upate wanze kupata pesa kwa YouTube, you have to reach like 4,000 watch hours, and you have to have more than 1,000 subscribers. But YouTube really helps, like if you're really consistent, you can really get the money. But bila consistency, ginokdhiko onyi bwana.
Nikichapa ni mane gimano dwaro ng'eyo, nikichocho ni many fans don't understand, ni sama artist wacho ni subscribe, then you hit the like button. Jok moko tiyo kode on music mano mar yudo YouTube.
Come on. Because the mom turn a subscribe, but subscription probably only up to 1,000. Once you're from 1,000, this is doesn't matter.
You didn't get the YouTube?
I'm almost hitting 1,000. Yeah. But once you pita 1,000, it doesn't really matter. What matters after that ni watch hour. When you watch. How to watch for long, you get the revenue, of course. Yeah.
Tinti rembui mage ko pogre kram na YouTube. Ni bedo kinyiso ge nying mane mabendi tiyo godo donge.
Yeah. Donga YouTube and Genty Plenty. Genty. Facebook Genty Plenty, Genty, and then TikTok Genty Plenty bado at Mana Plenty. At the end of the day, Genty Plenty ama Mana Plenty.
Indaka winchi kinyisoge ni subscribe, like.
Subscription ni mtu kutaka, unaona? Yeah, like I can't force you to subscribe, but if you really feel my vibe, you feel my music, automatically you're going to subscribe, and that's the best than kuforce mtu kusubscribe. But mtu akipenda kanga toroge mitimo definitely ata subscribe at the end of the day. Yeah.
Geno mara ni feel vibe ni ukinyima kawuono.
Inshallah. Agende gifeel.
Nikijibana note magi. Willy Sadembe, wacho ni Genty Plenty. Dorothy Wambo, wacho ni Genty Plenty look amazing. Keep up.
Thank you so much.
Okoth Nyobar, ben wacho ni Yomadua, entiere gwenge. Kene wacho nene loka, kene loka nyalo bedo kanye. Shelton Sethi wacho ni kangaroo. Okay. Wow. Watching from Masego, Canada. Kata koso kangaroo no bende nen kichina ngato nero ni kangaroo. Ini go gene kangaroo.
Yeah, kangaroo was a dance style. Yeah, I was just trying to like kurudisha tu watu back to the dance style ilikuwa inaitwa kangaroo. Yeah, just a dance vibe at the end of the day. Yeah.
Ntera bichi Jarudi wacho ni you are very talented.
Wow, thank you so much.
Wacho mogi mada somoka ena Kongo Dave wacho ni Sharon Chwadenwa miela adani mondo kathu moro wantugi to wana tem dunyora kama tena. Koko mano challenges achidhi na de mage mabindi face kaka jal mainra wera mantiere pap mano marathuma.
Challenges probably ni to marketing and the production cost, no. That's the only challenge. And as I say, mimi personally napitia, but generally if you work hard, I believe if I really work hard, these challenges ni kidogo sana. I can't really dwell on them. Yeah, so personally
challenge moro mar karam na golo videos nikistop jotumbe mabende biro gakagi wacho ni golo video peke yake is also another cost.
Yeah, it doesn't like be a production challenge, like production like from the audio. Audio naona like kama mimi I spend like 10 to 15 Gs kufanya audio. And then video is going to cost you like 50
70. Ngene kiwacho ni 15 Gs samoro ngata mantie ka watch kocha keka 15 Gs.
Okay, 15 Gs and 15,000 kufanya audio. Yeah, 15 selling a Farga Beach. Yeah, selling a Farga Beach, and then video from 50 you can get something standard.
70-100 kuendelea. So hiyo cost tu ndio inafanya ini cost kwa challenge. But the cost gawanya lo nini definitely tutakuwa na challenge.
Ngero moro ni thuru lo yengwa keni ine jakanye ngeni bendo kinyiswa ni ja wood kanye pakri papen mari.
Yeah, ana wood Kisumu Karateng. Anjaka black ala.
Upakro njoka black.
Donge.
Haya. Asema ni moko kwa mote mabende ntire ka Genty Plenty. Iwacho ni iwer makare ntire janeno marwa himbui marwa mabende wacho ni uwuok county mana Migori. Uko sawa Plenty. Unaweza kuwa na years ngapi hivi? Ngato penjo.
Ala.
Wachiki bwana.
Yes, important.
But ni no nyole igamane kosa ini millennial.
And millennial, yeah, sure. Missy Gen Z.
Sawa. Aya ntinga timabende wacho ni to sharo no yudo memo. Chaka gima no yudo memo ka mano marriwa kupapo. Nikijimbe no kirwa kupapo ka japinyi wacho ni no yudo memo. Aya. Mwambia Nicole hakene manga adwa ni mondigochi nene. Koko mano Genty Plenty. Angeni thumbe tisegolo mathoth.
Kamano.
Takeni ki golo kata mna thumbe makamage. Isetimo kata mna partnership. Isetudri kata mna gingato kolabo. Mugolo godo wele. Wasemeki giti mwana kende.
Like collabo nimework tu na this young artists. Poka yudo like opportunity marwak ya bigger artists, and I'd love to do that maybe in the near future. Yeah, because I have a lot of projects coming through.
Kiwacho ni big artist kolabida gogenga kata mna gombo marin man.
I have a lot. I have Nyashinski's in my mind, inshallah. Ben Sol. I love Ben Sol. And then kawa adwaro kolaboge ngama mtanaimba Kijaluo, Friends Inda, kitu ka hiyo.
Presi. So oko kopogera kana mnagi jothumbe mabendi wache pachoka. Ageni nikich genre mabendi wero enda kamago bendi. Wacho ni nani bongo kama donge.
Yeah, kitu ka I'm just doing Kenyan music, a fusion of Kenyan and Afro and UK. Ukifeel vibe yangu utaelewa.
Itoni nyaka mari UK bodonjoka.
Yeah, like kama ukisikia kitu kama Nyakisumo, ukisikia instrumentation, you can really feel me.
And my UK.
Yeah, like in UK, like you get the vibe from Afro and UK drill. Iketogi kamora chiel, tamedo giohanga like winjo taka. You just mix this thing up to come
Kora
up.
Kora gina vibes mobido mixed. Makenya ma UK gima moko.
Yeah, I just try to mix stuff together.
To koro oko kanyo di her timo kana mna collabo ginga. To jok mabendi wacho godo collabo ginga. Kendi bende tu wakata mana kodege.
Actually, I follow them and I love them. Like Oko right now, I don't really focus on them, but I have a lot of cool artists outside. But my main focus is to work with my Kenyan artists first. After hapo ndafika tu hapo nje, of course. Yeah.
Ada ka utulu makende mar nyakwara mgajua ngine no kamera mana mbele no. Ilos gi ma fans gi. Bede los gi mane kechangene kamera snelo bedo mang'eny mbele ka. Losa ne gi kamera ni los gi ma fans gi mabende neno TV okinyi makawuono. Mai yangu mari mano mar biro i Ramogi TV. Wach mane ma intiere godo. Ponono ni nitiere kata wende mamoko mabende tede jikon. Gima moko anything mida nyiso ma fans gi kinyi makawuono.
Yeah, to my fans manze anairo inya angenu mbuhera, and more music is always coming. Subscribe to my channel if you love my vibe, that is, if you like what I'm doing, just check Genty Plenty and subscribe kama utapenda vibe yangu, and just I'm giving you more and more. Keep loving me, keep supporting me. I'll give you more each and every day. Mana Plenty, all love every day. I love you guys. Yeah.
Mana kwanya kono mgajua kapo kwa teko ngeni chendo mar ngejo tumbewa asomo tareyo bange wabro bedo kwa wero moko ko mwende mabende pokwa wero donga pa nitika ka videos areyo makama mabende pokwa tugo na Kisumoto mana which is your best among your videos?
I love Nyakisumo so much.
Ito ni Nyakisumo.
Kwa videos zangu zote I really love Nyakisumo.
Sawa, wasema ne okte mamoko ka bange abro bedo ka wuok. An Bob show iko lit gine maro no ken Bob director maro mabende oro no ote. Jerry kutoka Oyugis umeweza Genty. Angeni ka wuono kinyi makawuono nikichana kwa mna vibes ka kilungo ge vibes mabende donjo kwa mna kukale messages. Chala mna generation zie mang'eny ka nikichana mna kaka giloso geki kodho luogi oswayo moko ge Kiingereza moko matin ka nikichwangi ni sikunde bendo seloro.
Of course.
Angeni rowere bende ntiere oko kacha ken bende no kiloso kwa mna giro were. Ngina kiluga chenro mano mar poko pogore. To mai ne were mabende ntiere godo en pok en talanta. Akene rowere man ntiere oko kacha jonyuol mabende ntiere gi nyithindgi man gi were in bende no kinso ni janyuol ni no ka onade mani chako were nikech ni chake school master
and janyuol also support toka primary anachako record kana class 7. I was just recording with my friends, and my father and my mom, they've been supporting me. all day, every day.
Ngajali penyo ni tomenda mar recording ni golo kanye. Kosa nensir.
When I was young, my dad was supporting everything. Alikuwa natoa do ya video, do ya audio, but after finishing campus, right now I'm just najifanyia tu. I can do it, yeah.
Ntika namna kumiyudo omenda.
Yeah, I'm a videographer and I'm a photographer. I have a big studio. So natumia do ya studio kufanya bado kwenda studio. Natumia do yangu ya studio photography ku finance studio music yangu. Yeah, so that's how I finance myself.
Pochigi Park ne jonyuol mabende siro nyithindo kaluwore kod were kata talanta mabende gintiere godo. Aneno iwacho mbalariany, osipi moro mawuok e mbalariany bende aneno kochopo ka. Wacho ni Musa Genty Plenty mano osiepa. Wasomo kod mbalariany mar Moi, ma Paul Mboya. Big up.
Big up, Paul. Big up. Love you, bro.
Genty Plenty umeweza walai ni night kutoka Kisumu. Ndio nyisi ni ma generations ziponka.
Nakwenda yo.
Sawa, gikanyo bende makelo wegiko mano mar ngejo tumbonja koronga jong. Bangma Joyce Dwar biro bedo ka kilo ni chal mar fwambo kono chopo kanyo saa 3 mar okinyi kapo kwa donja tuake chenro mano mar mbaka oromo. Koro thumo gik. Watieke gimane?
I have a new song inaitwa Tonight. Yeah, sijafanya video, is an audio but I really love it. Live like nazataka wase wasikie. Kama siyo I think that's the only one we can do. Yeah, Inanbama Sun is my latest.
Ntie moro mabende gocho ni gintiere godo nikech wan ber ka wanyiso kata mjitipo donge ntie moro ni win.
Yeah, win. Actually win is the best. Let's work with win. Yeah.
Everything is the best.
I want to give you good vibes, I want to give you big energy, so let's sing win. Mtapenda win.
Aya, wache karage win kare.
Thank you so much.
I got business to mind.
Blah. Mana Plenty.
All day.
Joels. Let's do this, bro. Ha. Kun mabichi na wapamba, kun mabichi na wapo. Haijalishi juma fans wanna grow. Nasol hard, mi unlock hizo door. Reason ya kish, so of course, mimi pro. Niko on the positive side, staki zo negative vibes. I must clean it white, so niko busy kwa site. I will get it right, nita win the fight. Mama prayed, so the future's bright. Niko na mapinje wanajifanya na wataniba. Niko na majini wanajifanya tina madiva. Sababu nimeiva, squeezy nimeiva. Hennessy kwa liver, blessings kama river. Napendanga pesa na maombi, unanisikia? Na kufana masiri za mashimo muingia. Squeezer tunafia, situli change gear. Gerenge is for the few, hapa ndani wezi ingia. Naenda fa, na sofa, niko fa. Vile nava, ukiva, ndakuva. Chunga vile unakaa, usidhani sezi jam. Godly, friendly, they call me Mana Plenty.
It's Sunday, I got business to mind. Money on my mind, steady on the grind. Gotta fight all day. Rada niku win. Rada niku win. Rada niku win. Rada niku win.
Nimegrown na kiasi but nimeenjoy. Nikiomoka ntenjoy kuenjoy. Na focus na vitu zinaleta joy. Kuna watu nimepromise na sitaki kuenjoy. Kona relate unaelewa. High five kwa hewa. Tuna struggle tunasaka. Usipoomba utapewa. Naifanya vizuri, nilachanga kiburi. Success ni tamu, inashindanga sukari. It's a process, it's a journey, so tuko njiani. Wanitaki wanipendi cause sijulikani. So I have to win, wacheki wina vula nakaa. Ni work hard, ni buy electric car. Naenda far na sofa, niko far. Vile navaa, ukivaa, ndakuvaa. Chunga vile unakaa, musidhani sezi jam. Godly, friendly, they call me Mana Plenty.
It's Sunday, I got business to mind.